Welcome to SlimSync, where healthy meets harmony. Today we'll make 7 fast Japanese slimming bowls, each ready in 10 minutes, packed with nutrients and pure flavor. Let's discover how simple, balanced eating can transform your health and bring harmony to your life. We begin our journey with the Teriyaki Salmon Energy Bowl, a dish that's not only clean and light, but also packed with nutrients to fuel your day. This bowl is a celebration of Japanese-inspired flavors and wholesome ingredients, designed to give you lasting energy and keep you feeling satisfied. At the heart of this recipe is salmon, a fish renowned for its rich omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health, heart health, and overall vitality. When you choose a fresh, high-quality salmon fillet, you're already setting the stage for a meal that's both delicious and nourishing. To start, pat your salmon fillet dry and season it lightly with salt and pepper. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat and add a touch of fragrant sesame oil. As soon as the oil shimmers, gently lay the salmon skin side down. Listen for that satisfying sizzle, the sound of flavor being locked in. Let the salmon cook undisturbed so the skin becomes irresistibly crisp, while the flesh stays tender and moist. This step is key to achieving that perfect contrast of textures. While the salmon cooks, prepare a quick homemade teriyaki glaze. Combine soy sauce, mirin, and sake in a small bowl. These classic Japanese ingredients create a glaze that's naturally sweet and savory, without any added sugar. Simmer the mixture until it thickens slightly, then brush it generously over the salmon. The glaze caramelizes as it hits the hot pan, infusing the fish with deep umami flavor and a beautiful glossy finish. Next, let's add some vibrant greens. Cut fresh broccoli into bite-sized florets and steam them until they're bright green and just tender crisp. Steaming preserves the broccoli's nutrients and keeps its flavor fresh and clean. The broccoli not only adds color and crunch to your bowl, but also provides a boost of fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, making this meal as good for your body as it is for your taste buds. Now it's time to bring everything together. Start with a base of warm, nutty brown rice, an excellent source of complex carbohydrates and fiber, which help keep you full and energized. Arrange the crisp-skinned salmon and steamed broccoli on top, letting the colors and textures shine. Each bite offers a perfect balance of flavors: the savory glazed salmon, the earthy rice, and the fresh green broccoli. For the finishing touch, sprinkle toasted sesame seeds over the bowl for a nutty crunch. You can also add sliced green onions or a few strips of nori for extra flavor and a pop of color. These simple garnishes elevate the dish, making it feel special and restaurant-worthy, even though it's made right at home. What you have now is a beautifully balanced bowl, packed with high-quality protein from the salmon, healthy fats, complex carbs from the brown rice, and plenty of fiber and micronutrients from the broccoli. It's a complete meal that supports your energy, your health, and your enjoyment of food. Best of all, this Teriyaki Salmon Energy Bowl comes together in less than 10 minutes, making it perfect for busy weeknights or a quick, nourishing lunch. It's satisfying, energizing, and so easy to prepare that you'll want to make it again and again. This is simple Japanese-inspired cooking at its best. Fresh ingredients, bold flavors, and a meal that truly makes you feel good from the inside out. Next up, we're making the tofu and spinach ginger stir, a nourishing plant-powered bowl that's perfect for anyone seeking fullness, muscle support, and a boost of clean energy. This dish is a staple in Japanese home kitchens, celebrated for its simplicity, vibrant flavors, and the way it brings together wholesome ingredients in just minutes. Whether you're looking for a quick weeknight dinner or a satisfying lunch, this stir-fry is a go-to for both flavor and nutrition. Start by pressing a block of firm tofu to remove excess moisture. This step is key for achieving that perfect, golden crust. Once pressed, cut the tofu into bite-sized cubes. Heat a generous splash of toasted sesame oil in a wok or large skillet and add the tofu. Let it sizzle undisturbed for a few minutes, then gently turn the cubes until each side is crisp and golden brown. The aroma of sesame oil and sizzling tofu will fill your kitchen, setting the stage for a comforting meal. Next, add a generous amount of freshly grated ginger and minced garlic. These aromatics infuse the tofu with warmth and a gentle kick, while also supporting your metabolism and digestion. Stir them in just until fragrant, about 30 seconds, so they don't burn, but release their essential oils and flavors into the pan. Now, it's time for the greens. Add a mountain of fresh spinach. Don't be shy, it wilts down dramatically. As the spinach hits the heat, it softens and turns a brilliant emerald green, soaking up the ginger and garlic flavors. Stir gently to combine, letting the spinach just wilt so it keeps its color and nutrients. To bring everything together, splash in a few tablespoons of soy sauce and a hint of mirin. The soy sauce adds savory depth, while the mirin, a sweet Japanese rice wine, balances the flavors with a subtle sweetness. Toss everything to coat, letting the sauce glaze the tofu and spinach, creating a glossy, irresistible finish. Serve your tofu and spinach stir over a bed of fluffy quinoa or nutty brown rice for a hearty, balanced meal. If you're watching your carbs, enjoy it on its own. The flavors are bold enough to stand alone, and the protein-rich tofu will keep you satisfied for hours. For a final flourish, sprinkle over some chili flakes for gentle heat. And if you like, add sliced green onions or toasted sesame seeds for extra crunch and flavor. These little touches elevate the dish, making it as beautiful as it is delicious. Simple, clean, and deeply satisfying. This is true Japanese home cooking at its best. Each bite is a celebration of fresh ingredients, balanced flavors, and mindful nourishment. Enjoy the comfort and energy this bowl brings to your table. For deeper flavor, try the miso chicken soba bowl. Marinate thin chicken strips in miso paste and ginger, then sear quickly. Cook soba noodles, high in fiber and protein. Rinse noodles cold for perfect texture. Add sliced cucumber and edamame for crunch and color. Top cold soba with warm miso chicken and fresh veggies. A bowl of umami, balance, and comfort. Celebrate vegetables with the eggplant sesame don. Pan-fry eggplant until caramelized and creamy. Coat with a sauce of soy, mirin, toasted sesame oil, ginger, and garlic. Serve over brown or cauliflower rice for a lighter base. Add steamed greens for freshness. Finish with toasted sesame seeds and green onions. Rich, satisfying, and completely vegetarian. The bento power meal is all about balance and variety. Inspired by the Japanese tradition of bento, this meal is designed to nourish both your body and your mind. Each compartment is thoughtfully filled to create a harmonious blend of flavors, textures, and nutrients, making lunchtime something to look forward to every day. Start by packing sliced grilled chicken, which is a lean source of protein that will keep you feeling full and energized throughout the afternoon. Next, add a small scoop of quinoa or a brown rice onigiri. These whole grains provide lasting energy and a gentle, nutty flavor. Then, brighten up your bento with a colorful array of vegetables. Crisp broccoli florets, juicy cherry tomatoes, and quick pickled cucumber slices for a refreshing crunch. For an extra boost of plant-based protein and fiber, add a handful of blanched edamame. And don't forget a slice of tamagoyaki, the classic Japanese rolled omelette. Its subtle sweetness and fluffy texture make it a delightful contrast to the savory chicken and veggies. Take a moment to arrange everything artfully in the bento box. The visual appeal isn't just for show, it actually encourages mindful eating. When your meal looks beautiful, you're more likely to slow down, savor each bite, and truly appreciate the variety on your plate. The secret of a great bento lies in its small portions, the diversity of flavors, and the vibrant colors. Each bite offers something different, keeping your taste buds engaged and satisfied. This approach helps prevent overeating and makes healthy eating feel exciting, not restrictive. When it's time to eat, open your bento and take a moment to appreciate the care that went into preparing it. Eat slowly, enjoy the textures and flavors, and let each bite remind you that nourishing yourself can be a joyful ritual. The chicken bento power meal isn't just a lunch, it's a powerful tool for healthy living. With its balance, variety, and beauty, it transforms an ordinary meal into a daily act of self-care. The avocado edamame zen bowl is clean, creamy, and refreshing. Use ripe avocado and blanched edamame for healthy fats and plant protein. Serve over mixed greens or cauliflower sushi rice, seasoned with rice vinegar. Drizzle with ponzu, toasted sesame oil, and lime for a zesty dressing. Add cucumber, radish, or carrots for crunch. Top with furikake for umami, pure clean energy in a bowl. End with the matcha detox soup, a ritual for cleansing and calm. Whisk matcha powder into warm dashi broth for a vibrant, antioxidant-rich base. Add thin shiitake slices, silken tofu cubes, and scallions for texture. Sip slowly. Let the warmth and nutrients restore you. Light, hydrating, and restorative. A moment of peace in a bowl. 7 bowls, 7 ways to find balance and flavor in just 10 minutes. Fresh, fast, and full of harmony. These Japanese bowls make healthy eating vibrant and joyful. Subscribe to SlimSync for more recipes and keep your journey to health delicious and simple.